morning, students. So today from standard 7 English medium, subject English grammar, chapter number 10, new chapter, verbs non-finite types. Non-finite types. So today I am going to discuss with you about finite verb, non-finite or infinitive, bare infinitive. Okay. So first the finite verb. What is the finite verb? Finite verb. A finite verb works with the subject. Finite verb works with the subject of a sentence to give a sense of completeness. Okay, completeness. What? Finite verb. Finite verb works with whom? Works with the subject. So we write the first subject, then we write the finite. Finite means the main verb. Okay, of sentence to give a sense of completeness. Let's see the example. Example. Okay, I go to Mumbai. She gave chocolates to me. So here I use the verb. Which verb I use? Go and give. The first sentence is from simple present tense and the second one is simple past tense. So this verb, finite verb, connection with whom? Connection with the subject and give the completeness. I go to Mumbai, she gave chocolates to me. Okay, so this finite verb is called main verb. Go and here gave. We use more finite verb. Use the example as she reads an English book or story. Okay, she reads an English book. So here this reads means the verb read is used as finite verb. Okay, this is called finite verb, means the subject and after the verb. Then infinitives or non-finite verbs. Finite verbs then comes to the non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs and infinitives both are similar. What they indicate? An infinitive is a non-finite verb. Infinitive is what? Non-finite verb that is preceded by to. Preceded by what? Preceded by to. That is called infinitives. If we use the sentence, we use this to with verb, to with main verb. We use like that. So look at here the example. Example. Okay, infinitive, how we use to with the verb. So the example, I want to give you a chocolate or rupees if you want to write. So here want is main word. After that to give, this is the infinitive or non-finite verbs. Once we use verb, after that we use the finite with this to then the verb. Okay, then the second example, I wish this matter to discuss with you. Okay, I wish this matter to discuss with you, or else I wish to discuss this matter with you. So here this which is main verb, and to then we use what? Main verb to discuss is called what? Infinitive. We use the infinitive with to. If we use to with main verb, what? To give, to go, to read, to sing, to follow. Whatever main verb we use, before that we use to. That is called the infinitive or non-finite verb. Then comes to the bare infinitive. Means bare infinitive means we cannot use to. What? We cannot use to in sentence. Let's see. The infinitive that is used without the to. Used without what? To is called a bare infinitive. Bare means nothing. Okay? No, we do not use this to when we use the bare infinitive in a sentence. Here given the example, I must go. Here must we use, then go. We cannot use this to. Infinitive is called bare infinitive. I must go now. You can borrow. This is the verb. Then we use can. We use this helping verb also. You can borrow this book. If we use two verbs in a sentence, just like the Jisan heard him speak very loudly. So here heard is past form of the verbs, and here this speak. Speak is called what? Bare infinitive in a sentence. The teacher saw him climb up the step. So here climb. So is main verb. So what? So is main. Main verb means here given the past form. Then the verb is given. Here speak and climb. This verb is given without what? Without to. So we can say that bare infinitive we use in a sentence. Okay? If we use the another sentence, bare infinitive without to. If we use this bare infinitive without to, so we can use the sentence I felt something slip past me. Whosoever sleep beside me, I felt something. So here this felt is used as the main verb and sleep is the bare infinitive I use. So here, I discussed with you about the finite verb, infinitive and bare infinitive. I hope you understand about these things. So I have completed the participle. Now start the participle. Okay, finite verb, non-finite, infinitive, bare infinitive I have completed. Now comes to the participles. How many participles are there? Present participle and past participle. What is present participle? We have talked about the participle, but which? Present participle and past participle. Definition here. A participle acts as an adjective. A participle acts and what? Acts and as an adjective, such as rising sun, broken window, like that, or as the main verb in verbal phrase, such as to have slept, is climbing. Means what? We use with have, has, had with past participle, means that for verb and with to be formed with ing, means the present and past form. Okay. Verbs with the ing ending. Verbs with the ing ending are called present participle. Verbs with what? Verbs with ing. Verbs with ing is called present participle. What? Present participle. Or the verbs with ed. Verbs with ed or en ending are called past participle. If we use the verb walk, so we use ed, that is ed form that called the past participle. We use this form past participle with the past perfect tense, or we use present perfect tense. Okay, walked. Okay, then the en. fallen. We use that fallen, that is called past participle ending with ed en. Okay, the present participle is used where? The present participle is used for what? Forming the continuous form. Present participle comes with what? Verb with ing. Verb with what? Verb with ing. And form what? Form the continuous form. Let's see what happened then. Example here. I am reading a book. So here am in reading with the verb showing the continuous process. Okay, showing the continuous form. Am reading. He is riding. She is walking. So comes with what? Forming the continuous form. We use the form as a past participle, past continuous form of the verbs. We can use it. He was going out. They were driving cars. We can use the continuous form. Then what we have used modifying a noun. Modifying what? Modifying a noun as an adjective. We call such participles verbal adjective. What? Verbal adjective. We can use that as verbal adjective. Before the noun we can use participle, present participle. Let's see. I like this dancing doll very much. I like this dancing doll very much. Here the doll is what? Noun. And this dancing used as present participle verb as here the adjective. So present participle what? Participle used as verbal adjective. We can use it. So this is how present participle we use with the continuous process. Is, am, are with ing or was, were with ing will be, we can use then ing form. Then now come to the past participle. Past participle is used for where? Past participle used for modifying a noun as an adjective. Modifying a noun as an adjective. Just he looked at the attached paper carefully. Paper is noun, so attached. Attach is used as the past participle. Here verb is used as looked, and in the same attach is used as participle. Okay, so past participle. Now comes to here zero. Past participle we use as this form. Okay, now comes to the zero. Zero and participles are same. Okay, little bit same, but what the difference? Look at here. Zeros are verbs. Gerunds are verbs in ing. Verbs in what? We can use ing. Verbs with ing form. The gerund has the same form as the present participle. The gerund has the same form. If we use read, so read with ing. This is the reading a book is good for knowledge. Reading a book is good for knowledge. That is the use reading as a noun. Okay, so that is the role of a gerund. Gerund has the same form as the present participle, but the gerund acts as a noun. Gerund acts as a noun rather than a verb or a modifier. Here we can use as a verb and a modifier, but here gerund is used as what? As a noun. Okay, look at here the example. Here this verb with modifier as a noun. Walking is a good for one's health. Walking is a good for one's health. I like walking. I like walking. I am used to. Here I am used to his grumbling. This is the gerund here used as noun. Okay. The cooking is done. So here is verb. So before that we use cooking as a noun form. Means says gerund. Do you mind my sitting here? So sitting. Mind is verb and sitting as a role of a gerund here now. And Raghu stopped eating out. What? Eating. Eating is a gerund. So Raghu stopped eating out. So gerund perform what? Perform the role verb with ing. Verb with what? Ing in a sentence, that is called gerund. So I hope you understand about the participles and gerund, difference between these two. Thank you.